About to kick off a lot walk. All right, guys, it's that time. We're gonna do a little walk around up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We've got a ton of new cars out here. Go ahead and get started for the week and walk around each one of them. There's gonna be a lot of cars you haven't seen test drives on. I think I've got about 36 to 38 videos to do this week, and you'll notice about 6 to 8 popping up every day. Up here at Maple Motors, we like to do test drives, walk-arounds, point out all the flaws of all of our cars. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. We're located at 829 West Main Street, Hendersonville, Tennessee. Definitely check our website out, maplemotors.com. We'll start up here in the front. Right here's a 1968 Cutlass for $19,900. We got details and information on every car on maplemotors.com, or here on YouTube. All you have to do is type in, like this one, 1971 Chevelle. You get a test drive and a walk around video talking about everything about the car, decoding the motor, and pointing out all the flaws. 1968 Chevelle right there beside it. 20,900, 327. 69 Chevelle, 22,900. If you want to see under the hood, I have detailed photos on my website as well. Just going to give you a brief walk to show you all the new cars that have come through the lot. Real SS matching number motor. 68 Chevelle. It's a 4-speed car. A beautiful 1955 Chevy Bel Air. 26,900. Switching on over here, a 65 Mustang, 31,900. 66 Mustang Convertible sitting here, 27,900. It's a 4-speed car. Right beside that, 1966 model Convertible, 4-speed Mustang, 31,900. Got us a Z28 4-speed sitting here as well, 26,900. That's a 72 model. Another Camaro right beside that with a big block in it, 21,900. That's a 1970 model. I can't wait to get on the test drives on some of these. This is a 68 Camaro. We'll have the price listed on our website. Trans Am right beside that for $15,900. Whole lot of new stuff in. 1975 model. There's a 70 model Mustang sitting here, $19,900. Another little green Mustang sitting here for $12,900. That is a 1968 model. Something real cool, 1954 Chevrolet truck with a early model fuel injection motor. Basically the motor that would come in this is in this. $15,900. 7950, a 1996 1500 pickup truck. Right beside that, a 1970 flatbed pickup. That's $17,900. Got a 1955 Cameo truck, fiberglass bed on this one, $34,900. Like I said, definitely check out all the test drive videos and walk-arounds of these cars. It gives a full description. Right beside that is a 1987 C10 pickup truck for $79,500. Then right behind that, we've got a Firebird for sale. It's a 1982. And we'll be getting test drives of it soon. The Nova and the C10 truck behind that are not available. Just letting everybody know before we start getting calls on stuff that's not for sale. I know y'all seen them in the background. So coming up on the side of the lot here, got the Ford Falcon for $12,900, 4-speed car. That's a 1963 model. Already sold the Camaro, the Z28. Also sold the 98 Corvette and the Impala. Got a Mustang sitting here for $15,900. 1965 model. Chrysler Newport, $69,500. Barracuda, $12,900. 1965 model. Cadillac Coupe de Ville, $12,900. That's a 72 model. And for $26,900, we got the old 63 Impala. Nice set of wheels on it. Cutlass Supreme sitting here. Hey, they got 13s, but they clean. It's an 86 model. Low miles, cold AC, $89,500. It's probably gonna be the top of my list. I wanna do that one today. That one's got a good look to it. Coming back around here, 1966 Chevelle. We'll get into details about it. That may be the last car I end on today. Start with a brown one, end with a brown one. Beside that, a 66 Biscayne. Big block 4-speed car, $21,900. Oh, they blacked all the windows out on this 1965 Biscayne 4-speed car. Beside that, 1965 Impala Convertible, $24,900. A lot of people ask about the convertibles. Well, I got two of them sitting here. 1966 big block Impala Convertible, $31,900. All right, guys, we walked around the lot real quick. I tried to go pretty fast so I could get all this done. That way I can get back out here and knock out at least 4 cars today. 4 cars means 8 videos. 8 videos be coming y'all's way. A walk around and a test drive of each one of these cars. Should be knocking out 6 to 8 videos all week, every day. Just kind of glance back through what we walked past. Definitely tell you, go to maplemotors.com. Check out them 100 detailed pictures. We got finance information. We could also ship any of these cars all around the country, get them to your house. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. And if you don't mind, share it. That helps us out greatly. We're a family business up here. Over 38 years in business. And we plan on staying here a lot longer than that, so. Lots of goodies up here. If you see something you like, it's on my website majority of the time. If it's not, it's either sold or it's not going to be available. I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.